Electric cars can seem pricey up front, but look closer. Electricity is much cheaper than petrol, especially if you charge at home. Over a year, fuel savings add up fast. Maintenance is simpler and cheaper. No oil changes, fewer moving parts. Tax breaks and incentives can cut costs even more. Lower running costs mean the higher purchase price pays off over time. You might even save thousands over the car's life. For many, electric is the smarter financial choice. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about saving money. The numbers speak for themselves. It's not all smooth sailing. Electric cars have challenges. Range anxiety is real, especially on long trips. Charging networks are growing, but not as widespread as petrol stations yet. Charging takes longer than filling up with petrol, so planning is key. Upfront costs are still high, though dropping fast. Battery life worries some, but modern batteries last years and come with long warranties. A second-hand market is emerging, making electric cars more accessible. Recycling and reusing old batteries is improving. The good news? Technology and infrastructure are advancing rapidly. The bumps are getting smaller every year. So, are electric cars just a fad? Not a chance. This is a fundamental shift, driven by necessity, innovation, and demand. We're moving from noisy, polluting engines to silent, smart machines. Electric cars solve real problems: pollution, climate change, and even driving enjoyment. Charging networks and battery tech are improving at record speed. More models, lower prices, and better performance are coming fast. The hurdles are shrinking. The electric car isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. People are choosing them because they're simply better. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The future of driving is electric. The car world is changing, and electricity is leading the charge. Everywhere you look, more electric vehicles are hitting the roads, turning heads and sparking conversations. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping how we think about driving, energy, and the future of transportation. For those who love petrol engines, it's a big shift, but an exciting one. The roar of a classic engine will always have its place in our hearts, but now there's a new kind of thrill on the horizon. Car culture is evolving, blending nostalgia with innovation. Driving electric is a thrill, instant power, silent rides, and a sense of the future. The acceleration is immediate, the handling is smooth, and the quiet hum lets you enjoy the journey in a whole new way. It's a different kind of excitement, one that's both high-tech and surprisingly fun. You save money, help the planet, and drive a car that improves with age. Charging at home is convenient, and maintenance is simpler than ever. Plus, every mile you drive electric means fewer emissions and a cleaner world for future generations. The transition won't happen overnight, and classic cars will still have their place. There's room for both old favorites and new innovations on the road, and the car community is big enough for everyone. But for daily driving, electric just makes sense. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out for a weekend adventure, electric vehicles offer convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. It's the logical next step for our wallets and our world. Lower running costs, fewer repairs, and a smaller carbon footprint make electric cars a smart choice for today and tomorrow. If you get the chance, try one. Feel the acceleration, enjoy the quiet. The experience might surprise you, and you'll see why so many drivers are making the switch. You might be surprised how much you like it. The instant torque, the smooth ride, and the futuristic feel can win over even the most dedicated petrol head. The buzz isn't just from the batteries, it's the excitement of a new era. People everywhere are discovering the possibilities, sharing their stories, and joining a movement that's bigger than any one car. Electric cars are a new kind of freedom on four wheels. They open up new adventures, new destinations, and a new way to experience the open road. The adventure is just beginning. With every charge, every journey, we're writing the next chapter in automotive history. Time to plug in and enjoy the ride. The future is electric, and it's waiting for you to take the wheel. Of course, there are challenges. The biggest? Charging. Range anxiety is real, especially for those without home chargers or on long trips, but charging networks are expanding fast. At malls, rest stops, and workplaces, fast chargers now add hundreds of miles in minutes, making road trips practical. Upfront cost was another hurdle, but battery prices are dropping and EVs are getting more affordable. Factor in lower running costs and EVs often save money over time. The power grid will need upgrades, but smart charging and vehicle-to-grid tech are already in the works. millions of EVs could help store renewable energy and stabilize the grid. These challenges are real, but solutions are coming quickly. The road to electric is open and getting smoother every day. The battery is the heart of every electric car, determining range, cost, and performance. Lithium-ion tech has come far, but the next leap is coming. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state promises more range, faster charging, and greater safety. Battery manufacturing is getting cleaner and cheaper with less reliance on rare materials. New cooling systems and smart software help batteries last longer in any weather. Batteries that last 500,000 miles are within reach. Recycling is key. Old batteries are being repurposed or broken down for valuable materials. This creates a sustainable, closed-loop system. Second-life batteries can store solar energy for homes and businesses. The future of batteries is bright, and it's powering the revolution. The electric revolution goes beyond cars. It's transforming all mobility. Electric delivery vans, buses, and even semi-trucks are cleaning up our streets and highways. EVs are perfect for car sharing and ride-hailing, making transportation more efficient and affordable. Imagine summoning a self-driving electric pod. This future is closer than you think. Electric bikes and scooters are booming, offering fun, healthy ways to get around cities. Micro-mobility is reducing congestion and pollution, making cities more livable. The electric ecosystem gives us more choices, mixing cars, transit, and bikes for every trip. It's about flexibility, saving money, and improving our cities. The electric car is the star, but it's part of a much bigger story. Clean, smart mobility is the future, and it's already taking shape. Here in 2026, we're at a turning point. The electric shift is unstoppable. Environmental need, tech breakthroughs, and driving pleasure are fueling the momentum. Cost and charging challenges are being solved faster than ever. What was once niche is now mainstream. Families, commuters, and enthusiasts are all going electric. This is about more than cars. It's about a cleaner, healthier, and more resilient world. Every new EV and charging station is a step toward energy independence and sustainability. The classics will always have a place, but the future is electric, and it's thrilling. The electric car isn't the enemy of car lovers, it's the next chapter. The road ahead is open, full of promise, and for everyone. The electric revolution is here. Let's drive it together. The future of the automobile is bright, exciting, and electric.